All right, wheel number 2 on the Porsche. Got a pretty big chunk missing right here. I'll use the grinder with the conditioning disc to take that out before I sand it. And then a little more curb rash right down here. That I just need to sand out. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'll get working on this. You can also check out the links in the description below for the tools and products I use to repair rims. All right, then we'll just sand out this damage down here. And get this area cleaned up. And then we'll scuff, clean, and paint. We got that spot right there where the factory finish is failing. I gotta sand that off again. Let me wipe some of this paint off first. Get a fresh pad to take that down. And we'll try it again. That's better. Now we'll just shoot the clear coat.